We're talking about renewable energy power producers coming onto the grid. And of course, in South Africa, we're going to have to pay for that build. We're also paying for Eskom's build program. And you've, of course, had a rising electricity bill. How big a part is electricity playing when it comes to eating into your bottom line earnings?
It certainly makes a difference to the higher cost mining operations in South Africa, such as our Buffels and Blyfer operations. Adding around 36 million during the winter months to our cost base. And, given the potential further increases in electricity, that will continue to have a negative impact on profitability for the higher cost operations. It's particularly important for operations such as Village and where we have both Buffels and Blyfer that has continuing pumping obligations, which is largely just energy-related costs.
Marius, though, are you operating as efficiently as possible when it comes to being able to reduce those costs on the energy side?
Well, we are trying our best to reduce those costs. That, in turn, obviously requires capital commitment in terms of the infrastructure that we use to pump. And there's not that much one can do if you pump from very deep levels. It is just a very expensive exercise.
Now, Blyfer production coming in below expectations, 514 kilograms during the quarter. Post this, of course, and during this period, you also had the strike action, 3-week strike action, and then, of course, a seismic event causing production losses there. What is the outlook then for Blyfer, given it's an important, obviously, contributor to production going forward?
Certainly the post-quarter events in terms of the strike, which has since been resolved, that will have and had an impact on our October production, and we will continue to feel that through to the end of the quarter. But the more significant event was the seismic activity at Blyfer, which resulted in some 40% of our panels that was available for production lost, and it will take us somewhere between 3 to 6 months to restore those panels to full productivity. So certainly an impact on our production for the December quarter from underground operations.
Now, Marius, you issued a cautionary yesterday saying you're looking to raise debt capital. How much are you looking to raise? What are you going to be using this debt for?
Well, the caution relates to the establishment of a debt program, so that will give us the flexibility to tap the market as and when we require cash to pursue our investment strategy. We certainly believe that the current market presents very interesting and lucrative opportunities in the resources sector, and having the ability to tap the market for debt, which we think is quite attractive at the moment, will allow us to pursue our strategy. So certainly in the next 2 to 3 months would be our horizon to go to the market for in terms of raising some debt finance.
Do you have a target for that level?
We haven't decided what the ultimate level is, but the program that we're looking to establish would be quite significant.